One of the things that really stands out when I think about my Loyola education is the small classes and the intimate relationships I developed with professors. It turned me into a different kind of student and a much better student than I had ever been before. It was completely transformative for me.
The faculty have a culture of mentoring and developing students, where you're learning to solve problems with them outside of the classroom.
The professors spark debate and really weaving in effectively current events, current data, and trying to apply the knowledge to the real world and bringing life outside of the textbook.
I always found that my professors had time for me no matter what the question, and I was really able to learn so much more than I would have gotten out of a textbook or being at a larger university. I had direct one-on-one interaction with my professors.
I was a part of Loyola's 2019 nationally ranked Fed Challenge team. It was a way that we applied our learning from our monetary economics course to real life examples. For the first time, Loyola made it to the national level.
This is a real life application of everything you've learned in class. You have to take all these real life instances of various data and theories and basically put it to the test and offer a real time solution to what's going on in the economy. I also was the president of the Adam Smith Econ Society on campus and was able to create and lead all forms of econ events. Our most popular event was actually a virtual one. We had over 100 attendees given the fascinating topic of COVID-19 and discussing how our econ majors can help explain what is going on living in the world we live in.
I was able to work as a research assistant where the professor was working towards publishing some of his academic work. I was able to learn by doing with hands-on experience, and it was one of the best things that led me to the next job that I had outside of school, which is to work full-time as a research assistant.
Loyola Economics really manages to develop and put out to market really industrious students who are able to think critically, who are adaptable, and who are ready for any challenge that's really thrown in front of them. And the opportunities to network with people, many of which are Loyola alums, is unparalleled.
Studying econ at Loyola really prepares you for anything that might hit your desk in the future.
When I went into investment banking right after graduation, I was coming in with peers, fellow analysts that were coming out of Ivy League programs. But I truly believe my econ education and that close mentorship with professors allowed me to perform at the same level and be a contributor day one.
What Loyola's economics department gets right is its professors.
The dialogue of the classes.
Its commitment to its students.
Personalized attention.
The teachers and the classes.
Above all else is community.